Hi, my name is Dr. Saurabh Mehta, and I'm from United States of America. So I noticed hair fall over the past, I would say about 5 years, but it progressively got worse. About 2 years ago, I started researching into hair transplantation, and I spoke to multiple doctors in US, Turkey, and India. After going through multiple conversations, I came across Dr. Soni. After talking to Dr. Soni, I was completely impressed and at rest that this was the person who was right for me. So one thing I noticed when I was researching, I saw that almost everyone did only one type of technique called FUE, which apparently is being done a lot by non-doctors. So the doctors will advertise, but some technicians will come and just do the procedure. But Dr. Soni himself does a combination technique, including FUT plus FUE. So he has done over 8,000 hair transplant surgeries, making him one of the experts in the field. So I got here day before my procedure. Lodging was provided, which was very comfortable. And we had dinner. Next morning, early morning, they prepped me for surgery. And while they were giving local anesthesia, I did feel some sharp pain as the anesthesia was being administered, but afterwards, I did not feel a thing. After that, next thing you know, they had already harvested the grafts and I didn't even know. I had to ask, okay, what's being done? So from pain perspective, initial minor pain, but after that it was pretty numb. The facility itself is what you see advertised, very clean. The staff is wonderful. Everyone is very responsive. They promptly check on you if you have any issue, questions, concern. Everybody's there to answer those. The most important thing is that Dr. Soni is there. He's the one doing the harvesting. He's the one designing, making the slits, and then the team takes over to insert the grafts. Overall, I'm very happy that I chose Medispa with Dr. Soni. Thank you, Dr. Soni, Medispa, entire team, and the staff for taking care of me. Appreciate it.